Headwall is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with remote sensing. Our systems are utilized underwater, out in the field, up in the air, and even in space. Hyperspectral imaging is the ultimate Swiss Army knife for researchers. Headwall's technology gives you access to hyperspectral and LiDAR data. This data is crucial for understanding your challenges and making the best decisions possible. Imagine being able to see beyond the visible spectrum, detecting details that are otherwise invisible. That's the power of hyperspectral imaging. Headwall boasts the largest deployed base of turnkey hyperspectral UAV systems for research in the world. These systems are out there, in the real world, helping researchers like you gather invaluable data. Whether you're studying marine ecosystems, monitoring agricultural fields, or prospecting for valuable minerals, Headwall has you covered.